Now we're going to talk about the chimes. A chime clock consists of a melody, which is either Westminster, St. Michael's, or Whittington chimes, followed by the hour. In this case, chiming clocks will strike the quarter of the hour, the half hour, the 3/4 of the hour, and then the full hour. So, to give you a demonstration on how all those sound, here's what they sound like. Here's quarter past. Half past. Quarter to. And the hour. Okay, that's what the chimes sound like every 15 minutes. Now, in the back are, as I mentioned in part 1, the chime rods. They consist of 5 rods, and they make different notes. So just pointing to them for you. And you can do each rod manually, which I'm not going to do because I'm worried that I'm going to break it. But, are you doing that? You did that?
Yes, I did. I just thought maybe that way they could see the hammers moving.
Oh, that's a great idea. But those hammers, they'll move, and what causes them to move is these gears. And those gears, they have a little motor-driven noise type, and they turn so that they can make those hammers move. Just like that. Now, to conclude this video, we're going to show you how we actually set the time on this clock. Some people can move the minute hand fast. Some people cannot because their clocks are not designed to do it. So I'm going to give you like 3, 2, 1 and then start moving. And what's going to happen is we're going to stop for a few seconds so that the clock can catch up. So you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
When you move the hands like this, it's going to take a while for the clock to reset its proper hour.
That's right, guys. This chime clock features a built-in strike synchronizer, which means, let's say, if the hour strike, or if the quarter-hour Westminster chime strike is not synchronized when the clock is initially set, or if the clock has dealt with some silence, it will synchronize itself within a 2-hour period. And that's all there is to it. So for all of us here on the Antique Clock Show, this is Blind No Long signing off.